Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
Have you ever noticed those tiny icons on your browser tabs? That's called a favicon. Let me show you how to add one to your website in just a few seconds. What is a favicon? A favicon, also known as a shortcut icon, website icon, tab icon, URL icon, or bookmark icon, is a file containing one or more small icons associated with a particular website or web page. How to add a favicon in HTML. A favicon, short for favorite icon, is the small icon that appears on a browser tab when you open a website. It helps with branding and user recognition. You've probably noticed favicons on Google, YouTube, Amazon, and almost every other site. To add a favicon to your website, use this HTML code inside the head section of your page. Rel is defines it as a favicon. Type is specifies the file type href is the path to your favicon.